on 4th and Maple. Proceed cautiously.
Freeze! Huh? Real Sounds Arena delivers all the sounds and excitement of the WWF.
I smell a collision.
This Tron Ready Arena recognizes your favorite WWF superstars as they step into the
most
ring.
electrifying man in sports
Hear
entertainment.
your match unfold with real sound.
He's leaving the ring.
And lights from the Titantron as Tron Ready action figures take you to the next level of play.
He kicked out.
These real scan figures look just like the superstars. WWF Real Sounds Arena brought to you by Jakks Pacific and licensed by the World Wrestling Federation.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's kind of late and I can't sleep, and I was looking at eBay. I was like, wait a minute, I have that and I haven't seen it for a while, so let's go ahead and review the SmackDown Real Sounds Arena featuring Jerry the King Lawler, commentary JR and the King. Commentate your matches, actual voice recordings, 10 minutes of sound effects, music, and actual voice recording. How many times have I said voice recording so far in this video? Real body to mat sounds. 1, 2, 3. Ref counts when you're down and recognizes when you kick out. Tron Ready recognizes 18 different superstars in the ring at one time. What? Now this needs 3 AA batteries. See the back for more action. The most electrifying man in sports entertainment is making his way to the ring. Jim Ross. This guy can rip doors off their hinges and lift cars off the ground. Imagine what he can do to his opponent, the King, Jerry Lawler. So here's my electronic sounds. This was $39.99 at Toys R Us. Let's flip it around. So we got in the back here. And the back is here. So the scoreboard lights up with fireworks sounds. Oh man, this is gonna look kind of cool in the arena. Definitely putting this in the arena, guys. We're doing it with the SmackDown stage. Yeah. So let's see what else we got here. We got the ref counts when you're down and recognizes when you kick out. Store hardcore gear here. Ring mat triggers real body to mat slamming action. Tron Ready recognition starts here. Toss your opponent over the ropes onto the outside mat for real sounds. Body slam your opponent into the post for more real sounds. JR and the King will tag you if you slide under the ropes. And cool crank for pink slip matches. Pink slip matches. When did they do those? Well, we're gonna have to do a pink slip match in the arena. A stop motion pink slip match coming your way. It's in popular demand. So let's run down the superstars here. We've got, of course, Stone Cold Steve Austin, King, The Rock, Billy Gunn, Undertaker, Shane McMahon, Jericho, Hardcore Holly, The Hardy Boys, Edge, The Road Dogg Jesse James, Mankind, Triple H, Cactus Jack, X-Pac, Bradshaw, Big Show, and Farouk. And this, of course, was made by Jakks Pacific. I wonder if that address still works. I doubt it. Let's go ahead and see if I was a good collector. Let's see if I put everything back in the box. Not the side we opened it. And we got a bunch of, I definitely saved way too much stuff sometimes. We got the wrapper here. Oh, we got instructions. This is important. So the battery compartment does screw and unscrew. see by the lovely diagram here on the instruction manual. See what other garbage I've saved. I wonder when the last time I opened this. What is this? More instructions? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The actual like construction of the ring. This is how you put it together. Yep. Let's see. So here we've got like the that TV that hangs over arenas all the time. Yep, we got one of those. Got some tissue paper. Got one of the columns. I will have to grab a screwdriver, another column here. We've got a set of stairs. The stairs have the little Titantron ready for your Titantron figures. These are gonna have to be flattened out. These are like some banners. Oh, what happened here? So the glue kind of like separated. We'll just stick that back together. That's one banner. Route here and a hook. So I was just looking for the other one of these. The little plastic clip is probably in the box. I'll just rip everything out. Damage anything. This is kind of like a mat and out for outside the ring. So dropping some those twisty tie things. Here we go. This is the other banner plastic piece I was looking for. I didn't want to drop it. Got the ring posts. Ring posts, 4 of them. Here's the base, the ring base. Just quickly organize. It's got like one more piece, which is this top. Another ring post and like some sort of stand. So let's go ahead and throw all the plastic and paper back in the box for another 20 years. And go ahead and start setting this up. The ring's got these little like ring skirts that are you had to stick them to it when you first got it. This thing's so dusty. Let's get some let's go grab a screwdriver real quick. Just give me 1 second. Alright, there we go. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Those battery terminals are looking nice and clean, ready for some new AA batteries, ready for a new life in 2023. So we've got the Kirkland brand. Toss those right in there. Double A. Oh man, I'm getting kind of amped up here. What can you see? You can see me working on this, right? Alright. Is this a good view for everybody? We're putting together the SmackDown Real Sounds Arena. Let's go ahead and flip that on switch.
World Wrestling Federation
man.
Entertainment brings to you SmackDown Live!
Oh yeah! Yo, that even plays the theme song. I have not seen this. That was cool, man.
He's leaving the ring! What a coward! And that a smart move!
Yo, we're gonna have so much fun with this. Alright. Hopefully they
In the fact this ring can't hold all the action tonight, then come over here, you're on your own, JR. He's leaving the ring! What a coward! Coward? I call that a smart move! In the fact this ring can't hold all the action tonight, he's leaving the ring! What a coward! Coward? I call that a smart move!
Oh man, this is cool. I know Antonio Jr. is gonna have a fit when he sees this. He's gonna be like, yo, this is so cool. I want one. Get me one for my birthday. Alright, so we got stairs going over here in front.
1, 2, 3. Well, King, that's my definition of slobber knockers. They nearly killed each other out there.
Okay, the ring mat goes over here, right?
What's he doing out there? I don't know, but somebody better call security. Who knows where this match will go next? Next thing you know, they'll end up backstage. What's he doing out there? I don't know, but somebody better call security. Who knows where this match will go next? Next thing you know, they'll end up backstage. What's he doing out there? I don't know, but somebody better call security.
Alright, these ropes actually look like
1,
they're in decent shape, and they are. And this thing definitely needs a good wipe down. They're not as tight as they should be, but they look like they should be good for. Oh, man. Oh, we got a really loose one. Look at this one. Could probably do like a. What would most of you get? What would most of the viewers out there do with a loose rope? Would you tighten it up with like a knot or something? Let's see here. Get this last rope on. I may throw a little knot with corner. We got two kind of very loose ropes, and let's go ahead and get those. Oh, you know what? Stairs go on the other side. This
In the
way.
fact this ring can't hold all the action tonight, then come over here, you're on your own, JR. Who knows where this match will go next? Next thing you know, they'll end up backstage. What's he doing out there? I don't know, but somebody better call security.
That into place. Looks like the stairs actually go on the other side. And for you guys.
He's leaving the ring. What a coward.
Get a good
And the fact this
view.
ring can't hold all the action tonight. They come over here. You're on your own, JR.
So these just knots right in. This is going to be really cool in the arena once I clean it up. This one's backwards. I wonder if they were made to be peeled and unpeeled. Let's go around the other side here.
He's leaving the ring. What a coward.
Oh.
Coward? I call that a smart move. It looks like this ring can't hold all the action tonight. They come over here. You're on your own, JR.
Whoa, and we're almost there, guys. I don't know if you're following along here. This is the Real Sounds SmackDown Live Arena made by Jakks Pacific. And now we have attached, or trying to attach, the Jumbotron, right? Jumbotron.
Who knows what a smack will go next? Next thing you know, they'll end up backstage.
It's supposed to light up.
What's he doing out there? I don't know, but somebody better call security.
World Wrestling Federation Entertainment.
Yep, it's lighting up. You see it?
SmackDown Live.
We got this hook piece, and we've got this panel. It looks like they're interchangeable. We can do one on one side and the other on the other. So I'm gonna wipe this
He's
off.
leaving the ring. What a coward. Coward? I call that a smart move.
Let's just take a quick look at this before I wipe this down. Put it in the arena.
What's he doing out there? I don't know, but somebody better call security.
World Wrestling Federation Entertainment brings to you SmackDown Live.
King, that's my definition of slobberknocker. They nearly killed each other out there.
This is actually so cool. I'm glad I looked at eBay. And I'm glad you spent your time here watching this video.